Hey guys, we're at Whanganui. Just launched from the boat ramp, just going down the river. Tide's just turned, it's going out. High tide was 8 o'clock, it's now 9:30. So I'm just coasting, I'm doing 8 kilometres per hour on the fish finder. It's going to be a quick trip out. Going to anchor up in about 12 metres. Going to go south, left outside the river. Head out to about 12 metres deep, anchor up. Curvy down. Got bait on a flasher rig with disco clips on one side, and I've got my grumpy fish on the other. Today's not about catching heaps of PB snapper or anything. Today's about catching a feed for the family. We're limited to how many weekends we can get out now before winter, and we really need to make sure that we get our freezer full. So yeah. Brendan's on his way down, he's got the day off, he's only milking once a day. So I told him where I'll be, he's going to cruise on out and meet me out there. So yeah, see how we get on. Cheers guys. Hi guys, how are you? As you can see, I'm out Whanganui today. Brendan's on his way, he's just got to hear the Wharf Street, so he's going to be coming out here soon. I'm sitting in 11.5 metres, just got here. Just put the rods in, just anchored up, and look how flat it is, guys. Look at that. Look how flat it is. It's going to be a beautiful day. It's going to get better as the day goes on, so I'm looking at better things. But yeah, what can I say? Awesome. Catch some fish. Little carwai. Little baby carwai. Not bad for a first fish of the day. Good livey, so actually. There you go, little fella, go live another day. First fish, always let your first fish go. It's only a little carwai, could have used him as lively, but I'm after a bit of snapper today, so let him go. But he's a little carwai, so first one for the day, let go. Hopefully Tangaroa is nice to me now. Always let your first fish go, they say. Respect for the ocean. And yeah, we'll see if it works, and there's buggered. We'll see if we have a good regard of respect now from the ocean, or if it's a myth. It's always worked so far, so not bad. First fish, only been here 10 minutes, one fish on the board already, so stoked about that. Hopefully there's some snapper around too, not just carwai all day, but it's a first fish. We're stoked for that, mate. These back rod holders here are amazing. Don't know if you can see it behind me in my armpit. Flick it over, put that in there, and you're fishing. The rod stays out that angle out there. Don't have to worry about looking upwards. Just look at the angle of the rod. I also have one on this side. You can see it out here, and I can just look. It means that I can just look both sides for my tips. Don't have to look up into the sun with these rod holders here. And of course the natural bend of the rod sitting this way means that the rod gets a natural bend like this, not sitting up like that and then getting taken back and breaking. So that's the whole idea around it. It works bloody well. The best bit of advice I can give you is don't have your drag set too hard. You can rip the rod holders out if you haven't got bolts. I've got bolts on mine, but sometimes you can't get in there and they just screw. And if that's the case, you know, on 400s and that, or Chinese versions, 400s you can get bolts in if you reach underneath the centre hatch between your legs. But reloads are on the lid. But Chinese brands, you know, if you've just got screws holding them, there's nothing underneath anchoring them, have a loose drag, they can take off, you can grab it, put it in, tighten drag, strike, and you're in for the fish. So that's how they work. But not looking into the sun, and the sun is directly in front of me at the moment, so if they were in these rod holders, I'll be looking up at the tips in the sun. Generally always is the way. So yeah, that's how those rod holders work, and first fish for the day. Cheers. Yeah guys, Brendan's made it. He come down from Stratford. I told him I was coming out today, and he milked the cows and his boss gave him the day off, so he's turned up out here, and he's just anchored about 5 minutes ago. Got his rod in about 2 minutes ago, and he's got himself an undersized kahawai. Well, not undersized, but a small little fella. Same as what I got on my first fish, and I let it go, and Tangaroa's been good to me, so he's just let his first fish go. So hopefully that's good luck and good omen, and he's going to start getting some good fish. At the moment I've got 2 gurnard, a nice sized penny, and a good sized kahawai in the back, and I've let go a hell of a lot of fish. My camera has only got the 32 gigabyte card, and only records for about 45 minutes on this camera, so I'm gonna have to go get a 64 or at least get another 32. So I haven't got much of me pulling them fish because I want to save some footage for when we're paddling back in and checking out the catch. But definitely been a good day so far, pretty hot fishing. We got another, it's 12 o'clock now, we're going to head back in at 4, so 4 hours fishing, get back into the dock by 5 and on the road, sort of 5:30, get home by 6, and you know, call it a good day. But you know, a bad day's fishing's better than the best day at work, so we'll see how we go. But yeah, definitely we're into it here. And as I said that, look, Brandon's just put that kahawai back. He's just got his, I'll turn you around so you can see if you can. He's just put his line back in the water and he's on another fish. So he's using pilchard as well, flash rods and pilchard. So, oh, he's got himself a spiny dog. The old sharks are coming in, eh? We knew we only had a limited amount of time before they start coming around, but that's fishing for you. Get too many of those, I'll be throwing straight lures on. Cool. Here you go guys, there's Brendan. This is his catch here. He's got some good penny snapper there and some good ones. A decent one at the back. Beautiful snapper there, mate. Got a couple of 3 kahawai in the back there. And then yeah, my catch, I've got quite a good day today, had a decent day today, so nothing just legal. These are well over legal. Even the smallest one is 39 and the rest are well into the 40s, 50 centimetres, so some good snapper there, some good pannies, some good kawai and 2 good units. So yeah, binned up today, let a few go, even legal ones, had enough for a feed, binned up, out off Whanganui, awesome stuff. So yeah, Ty couldn't make it, he was at work today, and got hold of Brendan, and he had the day off after milking this morning, so he come down, met me here, and we went out and had a good day, obviously. And yeah, that's 2 from 2 now, Brendan.
Yeah.
Geez, we're setting the benchmark pretty high, aren't we?
Definitely.
Yeah, we're going to end up coming out and catching nothing. You'll think, what the hell's happening wrong here? Alright, mate, we're going to pack our shit up and get home. Enough, got quite a bit to fillet again tomorrow, so another day of filleting tomorrow. Cheers.